Linear programming theory and applications. Vast syllabus of linear programming problems. The linear programming problems of basic knowledge of degree students. They are implementing in MSc, MCA, MBA, and engineering, and also biology students are implementing so many applications. Um, Main, what is the content is what is the linear programming, assumption, manipulating linear programming problem, the linear algebra of linear programming problem, convex set and directions. The introduction of linear programming, it is implementing in 1947 before the um, independent war. Uh, they focus they're using the linear programming is World War of Two. After finding the um, food problem, they are how to distribute the food, how to distribute the minimum resources to all persons in maximum number of persons to use the minimum resource. They are implementing these type of linear programming problems. The linear programming problems having a structure. This this structure of characterized linear programming is uh, in the form of three. First, we are creating a minimum or maximum condition. Main When we use the minimum condition, when we use the maximum condition is very um, useful. For example, any grocery person, they wants the minimum cost, they wants the maximum profit. How to get the minimum cost, to use of minimum cost to gain the maximum profit, so that in this place they use the maximization problems. For example, minimization problems, we for just coronavirus, we want the coronavirus is decreasing of using of medicines. How to minimize the using of limited source of tablets, using of these, we get the um, how to minimize the virus. In this place, we are using the minimization problems. Biological type of problems, they want minimization. Um, it is the main condition. And subjected to the conditions, in that subjected to the conditions, we are using the constraints less than or equals to 0, greater than or equals to 0, or equals to 0, the equation. For example, we want to take the total value is equals to b1, or total value equals to greater than or equals to b1, less than or equals to bm, like that. Whenever less than, greater than, equal to, we converting to all in equation form by using the slack and surface variables. The third one is variables. In every linear programming problems having the variables is non-zero variables. The linear programming problem having only two variables, we are implementing a graphical method. In this, using the, for example, using the x1, x2 values, creating a graph. In the x-axis, we are taking the x1 values. In the y-axis, we are taking the x2 values. All these conditions, we are finding the floating the equations. We finding the reason. In this reason, it is a feasible reason we called, because of it is the all lines are intersecting and mean to minimum area. This area is called the feasible area. In this area, we are using the values of x1, x2 mainly. Manipulating linear programming problem. Already we said, when the equation having standard form. Standard form means given equation is minimization, and all constants are greater than or equals to 0. Suppose the minimization problem having greater than or equals to 0 instead of greater than, using less than, we are adding slack variable and changing to equation form. Suppose the maximization problem having a less than or equals to 0, we want greater than or equals to 0 instead of, just we subtract the variable, we get the surplus variable, it is called. This surplus variable we are changing to equation form. The using of slack and surplus variables, we finding the matrix form capital AX equals to B cap. Let me conclude the third one. Third one is unrestricted signs. Already we said whenever we use the linear programming, x1, x2 or any variables are greater than or equal to 0. Suppose the we are not restrict the sign, we change it unrestricted to restricted variables. Unrestricted means xj, for example, x1, x2, x3, x4 are not defined. It is called the unrestricted variables. In this unrestricted variable, we take xj equals to xij minus xij dash, where xj dash and xj double dash are automatically greater than or equals to 0. The problem is in standard form means minimization. Suppose the given problem is maximization, we are changing to minimization by using of minus sign. That is max z equals to minus min z. The linear algebra of linear programming structure. Already we said minimize C is cost matrix, capital X is a variable characteristic matrix or variable matrix. It is 1 by n matrix because of we are using 1 to n variable, so that it is 1 by n matrix. And subjected to the condition constructions, we take the capital AX equals to B, where capital A means A11, A12, A1n and A1m, AMN, m by n matrix. In this we are taken m by n rows, m rows and n columns. Already we said capital X is characteristic. And the mixing of multiplication of capital AX equals to these equations. And B, in this B either greater than or less than or equal to, but whenever greater than or equals to B1 or something, we change it greater than or equals to in the form of equation and equal to, we use the surplus variable, so that minus S1 we are using. For example, in this greater than or equals to B1, instead of greater than or equals to, want to equal, so that A1 and A1n xn minus S1 equals to B1 we are using. Suppose it is in less than or equals to 0, we use plus S1. It is a slack variable. Adding is slack, subtracting is surplus. Slack variable, it is equals to again B1 we get. It is AX equals to B form. Already we said whenever the linear programming variables is non-zero variables, so that capital X is greater than or equals to 0. Based on these conditions of 3, we implementing slack, simplex method, dual simplex method, and big M method, two-phase method, and transportation problem, assignment problems, and strategy problems, games and strategy, all are implementing based on these linear algebraic conditions. For already we said the linear program is ocean. In this just we are ice breaking. Thank you.